Hi guys, it's Mrs. Robinson and my dog Raleigh, who's not going to stick around very long, but this is, there she is. She's a border collie. So anyway, hi guys, I hope you're okay. I miss you greatly and wish we were back in our rooms, but we're not. So we need to make the best of it. And I'm ready for us to do some learning. I miss us and our class routine. By the way, you're not off the hook as far as your birthdays go. I'm going to figure out who had a birthday and half birthdays, and together we so rock. All those things are going to be happening as we kind of work through these next week or two. Let me go ahead and just give you a little bit of guidelines on what to expect and how to work through our lessons in Google Classroom. Just before we do that, though, make sure you know how to get hold of me. I'm on my computer all next week. We're still working. I'm doing lessons. I'm planning. I'm checking Google. I'm checking your messages. So email me questions that you have, or something you're needing, or update me. Plus, I need to get words of wisdom from folks. We'll do that as well. In Google Classroom, you'll be working with that. So let me just go over a couple of little expectations there. You're used to Google Classroom, so that's good. So when you're in Google Classroom, I'm just playing with a little sample class right here. But in Google Classroom, I really need for you to pay attention to the classwork mode, not stream, but classwork mode. If you're working on your cell phone, it's going to probably be down at the bottom. So we're trying to make things really easy. You're just clicking in one place. So you'll find that. And then in classwork mode, you're going to work over here on the topics. And so if you notice over here on the side, this happens to be week 1, March 23 through the 27th. That's this upcoming week. And I've got just some very simple little assignments for you. Guys, we're not trying to do great amounts of things just to get going. There'll be 2 lessons next week, just 20 minutes apiece. Very simple for you to take care of and do. Please make sure that you submit and click and show that you've done all this, though. I'll be keeping track and looking at that. So for example, one of these first little assignments on lesson 1 involves a reading from STEMscopedia to finish off our plate tectonics and topography that we did before spring break. And then there's going to be a little Google form. So when you do the Google form, I need to make sure that you actually are submitting it down here at the bottom so that you guys can get credit. So pay attention to anywhere you have to submit or do those types of things. You're used to that, and you'll be all right. So do those things. So next week, just 2 lessons, 20 minutes each. As long as you're done by Sunday, that's the due date. So you've got several days. You can do it any time of the day. It doesn't have to be in the morning or science time. Just do what works best for you and your family. Please know that I miss you very, very much. It was really hard to go back to my classroom the other day. I was sad that you guys weren't there. And I wish you the best and your family. And please let me know if you need anything from me. And I'll see you Monday somewhere along in the time frame. Take care, guys. I know how to stop this or not. All right, here we go. Yeah, now you're sitting all nice.